Today, Mom is taking me to go grocery shopping. I remember Mom said I can do art anywhere at any time. I can't waste my time. And I saw these beautiful flowers and they smelled very, very good. And they were very pretty. And Mom said they were real. And I was like, what? So I took my sketchbook and started painting some flowers. Right now it is November and almost winter. It is cold outside. I can't find any flowers in the garden, see? But a lot of fresh flowers are here. So beautiful! I am observing and painting while I enjoy a tasty free cookie. Yum! A lot of people were shopping passed by me and look at me and say, what is she drawing? So they come and take a look. I draw many kinds of flowers. There are lilies, sunflowers, daisies, chrysanthemum, carnations, and more. A lot. Next month is Christmas. There are many Santa decorations here. I painted 2 Santa brothers. I hope they won't be too busy to bring me an awesome gift, but I still didn't decide what I want.
Attention service desk 200.
What gift do you want from Santa? Comments down below. I am painting an angry nutcracker. Angry face and angry eyes, angry eyebrows, angry nose, and an angry mustache. Now I'm done. Now I'm going to color it. I usually color with color pencil, color marker, acrylic, watercolor, oil paste, but today I will use color markers. Aha! I think I have a good idea. I can print out this picture for a gift card for my classmates. I know, I'll add some pink cheeks for them. What a nice painting moment! What a nice night! Please subscribe me and like me. See you next time. Bye!